Okay, welcome back. Before I show you how you can create a Facebook page, I want to go through with you what are the available Facebook page types that you can create. When you create a page, there are a few types that you can choose. It can be books, magazine, brands and products, or companies and organizations, or local services, or movies, music, television, or people, sports, or based on website and blogs. So a high chance that you are going to create the type is website and blogs, which is this column, and this rows also shows you what are the features available for this type of a page. So if you create, let's say, a Facebook page for your local business or your company, then you will need to have the phone address, map and business hours to be entered into your Facebook page. But for us, as for the website and blogs, these are very straightforward information that's required. So in the next video, let's begin by starting a Facebook page. See you then.